To another edition of live sourcing with SourceMogul for your online arbitrage leads. By the way, if you haven't already joined my Discord server, join right now with the link below the video, and you will find all these leads plus more that I don't even show on YouTube for free, available to you. So join now. Also, if you want a free trial of SourceMogul, you can grab it in the description below. It's free for 10 days, extended trial only available through my link. And now let's move on to the video. So the first product we found is this one right here. It's Squishamallows Mini Plush Camping 9.79. It's selling at $29.44, buy box 30 days, profit of $8.54 or ROI of 41%. It's a very nice product that sells over 8,000 units. It's ungated. Now a few things to consider. There is a little bit of a price of a new seller spike here. So as you can see, on September 15th, there were 6 sellers, and now there is like 29 sellers. And the price is steady right now at like 20, 28, 29. So expect this price to drop a little bit. However, if we study how the price was all the way to May, like just to plan for a worst possible scenario, like the buy box was at $21. So even if we plug $21.45, you still get a little profit. So again, this is an item that sells a lot. I would say go ahead and buy it because very unlikely that we're gonna hit that worst case scenario. And you're probably gonna end up selling at $29.44. So this one is to go. Here's another gray product sold by Walmart this time. And as you can see, $19.39. It's on sale, $19.39. Now, this is gated, but I got auto ungated on Green Toys is the brand. Green Toys has been approved based on your seller history. So, now important to note, Amazon is on the buy box on this one. And only one other seller was able to compete and get some sales, which was a FBM, I think. Oh no, she was a FBA. Now, currently, the only FBA is Amazon with a stock of 222. I don't usually recommend competing against Amazon when Amazon is on the listing, but on this particular listing, as you can see, nobody else is getting the buy box because there are no other FBA sellers. In the past, when there have been FBA sellers like Jen's Goodies, she was able to get the buy box for a little bit. But as you can see, in order to get the buy box, she had to go below the price. And I actually experienced the same thing with some of my products. I have been able to completely sell out of my products if I put my price at least 5% lower than the Amazon price. So in this case, to play it safe, the 30-day buy box is $46.50, right? You would need to place at $46.50, $44. I think that at 44.1 you would sell. So your profit goes down, but it's still a nice ROI. So I recommend this product. Here's another good product sold by Kmart. Kmart, $30.93. It's available. Some type of feeder refills. $30.93. Selling $63.31. So nice profit to be made. 265 products a month, and yeah, it's the same exact product. The only bad thing, so everybody's getting sales, it's very nice, but the only bad thing that I can see is that it's Doesn't have a lot of history. Tells me that the product is kind of new. The seller count is kind of spiking a little bit. There was a massive drop here, but I wouldn't make too much of it. Probably somebody going wild with the pricing or a bad setting on their repricer. But it's pretty steady at 60, it seems. So even at 60, it's a nice profit. I would still use 63.31. But yeah, it's I would say that this product is a go. I like this product. Good healthy amount of sales and not a lot of competition. Great. Here's another product. If you're familiar with buying from Woot is actually owned by Amazon, and sometimes you can find products that are priced lower than Amazon. I know it's kind of weird, but see, this is the exact same product with a 30-day average of 156.50, and we are getting it at 104.99. Now with Woot, if you already have a Prime account on Amazon and you log in through your Amazon, Woot will offer you free shipping. So it's kind of like buying from Amazon, but through Woot. I know it's kind of weird, but as you can see, the profit is very nice on this one. They do limit you up to 3 per customer. But this is a nice product. See, it sells, Amazon is not on the listing at all. It sells pretty much at this price, 156. I don't know why at this moment it's a little bit lower, but I wouldn't make too much of it because the price history tells you that it's really it's actually a little higher, 160 at times. So this is a great product. A great amount of sales too, 567. So there you go. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and give the video a like and also subscribe to the channel. Like and subscribe. Found another product here. This is the Godzilla 1238.99. You plug it in here. It sells 57 units per month. Price is nice and steady at $69.09 actually. $13 profit, 24% ROI. The price is nice and steady. Division of sales between sellers. This is perfect. And this is a great website, by the way. Newegg has a lot of great deals. Here is another great one. It's the Nerf End Strike, sold by Walmart at only $47.99. And as you can see, Amazon, you get 10 sales per month, and the average buy box is 117.47. That's a very nice ROI. The price is steady, according to Keepa. No Amazon on the buy box at all. So this is a great product. So we found our second Godzilla product. This one is a little different. The prior one was from 2019. This one is even older, 2016. Also sold by Newegg at $43.99. Now you're gonna see some massive profits, but don't get too excited. Even though the 30-day, even if we're being conservative using the current buy box and the 90-day average 114.54, which would be an amazing profit. The Keepa chart is all over the place, but as we always like, we try to be as conservative as possible to minimize the potential of not selling or the price going under. But if you look at this, even though it fluctuates crazy, go all the way to May, so like this has sold even up to $160. It's nuts. But the flat line here is about like 83, 90, 90. Let's say 85. That would be the worst case scenario. I like to think in worst case scenarios, 85, you're still left with a 33% ROI. So this is an incredible product to have. So go ahead and buy it. So Well, as usual, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll have more of these ones for you very soon. They do take a little bit of time, but I do enjoy the research and sharing that with you. Also, if you are not already on the Discord server, go for it. There's a link below. Join the Discord server. Again, you can also do the same thing that I'm doing with Source Mogul for 10 days for free. Link down on the description. Unique link to save money and actually do it for free for 10 days. And that's it. I hope you like it. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope these are useful for you.